Hello everyone, my name is Juliana Danang Putra Anggraini with NIM KF1210F4. I am from class 1B FKAP PGP Out, University of 11 Mer Surakarta. Here I will discuss about the pro and contra from read, write, count or Chalistung early childhood. Chalistung is an abbreviation of read, write, and count. Children under 7 years old are allowed to learn Chalistung. Various studies and opinions support that, and other studies have different opinions that children at that age should not be given Chalistung listening. The contra reason is in line with the research of a child development psychologist from Switzerland, Jean Piaget, stated that education in read, write, and count should not be introduced to children under the age of 7 years. The reason is because at that time children were not able to think concrete appreciably. Meanwhile, Chalistung activities are defined as activities that require a structured way of thinking. To overcome the pro and contra of Chalistung for early childhood, we can apply the Bimba method. Bimba is privileged through its fun learning method, small step system, and individual system. The method created is based on research that has been carried out and has been proven to increase children's reading abilities tremendously. Bimba has special modules and a multiple intelligence teaching system. The learning process in one class at a time can vary in material from one child to another. The learning process at Bimba is playing while learning. They learn that they do not have to stay still for long so that children do not easily feel bored and forced to study.